Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Google Antigravity. So, if your screen is too bright, too dark, or you just want Google Antigravity to look better while you work, this guide will help you do that step by step. Changing the theme is very simple once you know where to go. You do not need to change anything complicated. You only need to open the Settings area, find the Theme option, choose the style you like, and then save or apply it. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Wait for it to fully load before clicking anything. Sometimes the app may take a few seconds to open, especially if you just installed it or if it is loading your saved workspace. Once it opens, look around the screen and make sure you are on the main Antigravity window. You should see the side menu, the main working area, and the top menu. This is where you will change how the app looks. Step 2. Go to the Settings area. Now, look for the Settings button. In most cases, you can find it near the bottom left side of the screen. It may look like a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon. After you click it, a small menu should appear. This menu gives you different options for changing how Google Antigravity works and looks. From here, look for an option that says Settings, Preferences, Theme, or Appearance. The name may be a little different depending on the version you are using, but the idea is the same. You are looking for the place where you can change the look of the app. Step 3. Open the Theme option. Next, click on the Theme option. This is the part where you can choose between different looks for Google Antigravity. You may see options like light theme, dark theme, or other color styles. A light theme makes the screen brighter. This can be good if you are working during the day or if you like a clean white background. A dark theme makes the screen darker. This can be easier on your eyes, especially at night or if you spend a long time looking at the screen. You may also see more theme choices depending on what is available in your version of Google Antigravity. Step 4. Choose the theme you want to use. Now, click on the theme you want to use. When you click a theme, Google Antigravity may change right away so you can see how it looks. Take a moment to look at the screen. Check the side menu, the main area, and the text. Make sure the text is easy to read. Also, make sure the colors feel comfortable for your eyes. Do not just pick a theme because it looks cool. Pick one that helps you work better and makes everything easy to see. If the first theme doesn't feel right, try another one. You can switch between them until you find the one you like. You can always come back to the same area if you want to change the theme again later. So if you start with a light theme and later want a dark theme, just go back to the Settings area, open the Theme option, and choose a new one. This is helpful if you work at different times of the day. For example, you may like a light theme in the morning and a dark theme at night. The best theme is the one that feels comfortable and makes it easy for you to read everything on the screen. And that's it. So that is how you change the theme in Google Antigravity. Just open Google Antigravity, go to Settings, find the Theme or Appearance option, choose the theme you like, and apply it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.